Okay, as play resumes dito, a free throw will be given itong si Shaquille O'Neal. He missed the front end of his 2 free throw shots. If he makes this one, meron na namang opportunity ang East to win the ball game. Bigay nila 1 play, number 23. 23.1 seconds left.
Seconds na titira eh. Baka destiny niya yan eh.
Ako, dinenervous Dr. J pag sinasabi mo ng ganyan eh.
Kaya binigyan ng chance pa nga dito si Shaquille para i-shoot itong free throw eh. O kita mo kakamintis, ba't katatawag ng timeout? Kinaganda mo pa para sa kanya.
Hinahanap si Jordan, Dr. J, ni Jason Kidd. They will go to Jordan. Pinatitigid niya sa oras.
Alam mo saan pupunta ito eh.
Pinaalis. Ito, Dr. J, ayaw pa niya tuloy.
At saka hindi pwede, maaga pa. Ba't nagre-risk kang matalo noon?
Sumesedyas. Ayan na. Ito na, Dr. J.
Pag pinaul ni Marion yan.
Ito yung follow away ni Jordan. And he scores, Dr. J.
Pero may oras pa. May oras pa. May oras pa.
May timeout na hiningi si Rick Adelman. And they made the play specifically for one Michael Jordan. Could this be his watch song? Hindi natin alam, Dr. J.
Hindi kasi talagang destiny eh. 23.1 na yun. Nakikita ka na yun.
Ikaw talaga para kasi Jordan, walang kupas. Here is the fall away by Michael Jordan from the corner. And he might just win this ball game in his final appearance as an All-Star.
Ito dinipesa ni Mario nito ah. Ito hindi pinagbigyan ni Mario. Nakikita mo naman.
Napaaga pa nga eh.
Wala ka ng choice because you give yourself a chance for a rebound play, di ba? So, tingnan mo talaga, dinipesa, tinaasan ng kamay, hinabol, ihalos itulak.
And Jordan wants an exclamation point sa end ng kanyang libro.
Kahit hindi siya maging MVP, if he can help him win that one, I think he'll be very happy.
Ang ano nga overtime is ng kanyang chapter ng kanyang mga libro. Will this be the end? As we see Lennox Lewis.
It will be. I don't think he's coming back.
Yung mga sinasabi nilang baka pag nag-retire, bibili ng franchise sa Charlotte and play for another year. Napaka-remote na possibility na yan.
You know, he probably will be able to continue now to become the president of the Wizards, build that team, you know.
Marami pong possibilities dito, pero Dr. J,
he can coach someday. You know, that's a big possibility. A guy with that kind of brains can coach and most that understands the game that well. Larry Bird coach, di ba?
And was successful at it. No? Si Isaiah Thomas is successful at it right now. But focus lahat ng attention to one Michael Jordan, Dr. J, who will be turning 40 this month. And who has said he is playing in his final NBA All-Stars.
Now, kinakausap ni Michael si Jason, watch Kobe. Don't give him that opportunity to get that ball. Kobe can come up with big shots. Wala na si Shaquille dito. These are long shooters.
Ayaw nila yung ipapaul eh. Baka mahakasak eh.
Si Stojakovic nandyan. Watch Kobe, he's gonna get open. Ayun, natapik niya no. Hindi siya makakatira ng libre.
3 shots yan, Dr. J.
Binigyan ng foul. Ooh, what a call by the referee.
And this will be 3 shots for Kobe Bryant in what could have been a fitting ending.
I thought parang pilit na yung tira ni Kobe nung natapik. I watched yung tapik ni Jason. They know he was gonna Kobe. Look at where he gets that ball, Chino. Does he foul him? Wala eh. No? That we don't make that call, that guy forced that shot.
Malungkot ito, Dr. J, because ito si Michael Jordan, kinakausap si Kobe Bryant. He can win the ball game, Dr. J.
Well, may 1 second pa rin. Pasok. May 1 second pa rin.
People are hoping that he misses one of his shots. 2 remaining as the foul was committed outside of the 3-point line. Dr. J, ang overtime ba? Matapos.
Hindi napapasok yung tira ni Kobe.
Kinakausap ni Jordan, no? Kinakausap, ano sinasabi?
Hindi, kinakantsawan niya yun. You feel the pressure.
Imagine an all-star game going down the wire and having to come down to this final free throw shot.
Time out. Pinunta naman ni Kobe si Michael. I made that one.
Tawa sabay tawa. And this story has not ended. Not by any means, Dr. J. Nakikita ko si Commissioner David Stern walking by us.
Buti na lang, hindi tayo uwi ka agad bukas.
Oo eh. Walang uwian daw dito sa Atlanta, Dr. J. Balita ko eh. Todas na tayo. Baka wala ng bahay. At Dr. J, dito talaga, lahat na ginawa, nangyari. And what a first in the history ng Solar Sports Network at ng Solar Entertainment. No? And would like to congratulate si Mr. William Tieng, si Mr. Wilson Tieng, yung mga kaibigan po natin who have made this one possible, si Mr. Peter Chanlyong, ang ating mga big bosses dito sa Solar for bringing you this one. Ang mga Pilipino talaga swerte. Imagine niyo, we are one of 241 countries covering this one, the NBA All-Stars, no? At isa po ang lengguwaheng Tagalog o ang salita ng mga Pilipino na kasama sa listahan ng mga international languages na binibigyang papuri ng mismo ng commissioner ng NBA na si David Stern.
Siyempre, dahil Kastilan, daming countries yun.
Dr. J, bigyan mo. There has never been...
magsalita ng Tagalog.
Ayan. Kaya kami proud to be Filipinos, mga kaibigan. Isa pong magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ang halian na ba sa Maynila?
12:25.
Ako nagla-lunch break yung mga yun, nag-i-enjoy sila because they're watching us.
Pero yung, hindi, wala kang pasok yung mga anak ko eh.
Aba,
Lalaki.
okay, ha?
Si Ato, si Alfred, walang pasok yan, nanonood yan.
Enjoy a big one dito po sa Philips Arena, and it is not yet over. Just a footnote, there has never been a double overtime game in NBA All-Star history.
Ano kaya nito ngayon kung tumawag kayo ng Paula referee?
Biglang nagkaroon yung referee.
Watch Michael Cam, downstream, Michael Cam, fade
Eto!
away. Ayun, inabot.
We go to double overtime, Dr. J.
Talagang dinidepensa talaga ni Marion talaga si Jordan. Mahirap yung tinira niya kanina eh.